In this tutorial, we will learn how we can install WordPress in cPanel. It's easy and simple. First of all, we have to log into cPanel, then scroll to down. You will find here WordPress managed by Software Clouds, or you will find WordPress in scripts. You can click any of these. Both will take you to the same place. Let's click to WordPress. Here I will click to install. Before install WordPress in cPanel, you have to have a domain and a hosting. You can buy domain and hosting from Hostinger. You can buy domain and hosting from others domain hosting provider, but in my 14 years experience, I have seen Hostinger is cheaper, it's easy and it's secure. I'll put a discount link in this video description. Now let's move on to WordPress installation. In the screen from the protocol, I'll strongly request you to select HTTPS. You can select this one or you can select this one. I prefer this one. Then here you have to choose your domain name. I have one domain here. If you have several domain here, you can select any domain. So I'll click to my domain. Then in directory, I will remove this because I want to install this WordPress in my root directory. If you want to install WordPress in subdirectory like WP, then your website URL will be like this. So we don't want this directory. This is why I am gonna remove this. Then from here you have to choose the version. Always choose the latest version and it is automatically selected. Then scroll to down, you will find site setting here. You can change site name here. Let's make it. Then you can change site description here. It's not mandatory, moreover we can change it later. After that we have to add an admin here. Then we have to put a strong password. Then we have to add admin email here. That's all for now. If you scroll to down, you can change website language from here. I'll keep it English. We can install any plugin. If you want to install a backup plugin, you can check this. If you want to improve a page speed, you can click this. Like this, there are a few plugins you can install. I will install my required plugin later, so I'll keep it as it is. After that, I can change theme from here. From this list there are a few themes I can choose, but I'm not gonna choose any theme from here. I can install theme or plugin or anything later. For now, let's install WordPress. I will click to install button, then wait for a few seconds. Our WordPress is installed successfully. Now we can visit our website clicking this URL. This is our website and it's a basic WordPress design. I will change this design according to my needs. I can install any theme from here. I can install any plugin from here, or anything I want, I can do that from the backend. Installing WordPress in cPanel, that's easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.